How to recover deleted photos on Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos from Google Photos. Whether you're cleaning up storage or made a mistake, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about how to recover deleted photos. Deleted photos aren't gone forever right away. They're moved to the trash. To access the trash folder, tap the Library tab at the bottom, then select Trash. Here you'll see all the photos and videos you've deleted. While you're in the trash folder, find the photo or video you want to restore. Tap on it, and then tap the Restore button. The photo will be returned to its original location in your Google Photos library, just like that. And that's how you manage your photos on Google Photos. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.